Joining me now is Goldman Senior Equity Research Analyst Noah Papanak. Noah, it's great to have you here. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks so much. Great to be here.
Are you talking major breakout upside, or why does this one jump out to you as a top pick?
I mean, I think there can be major breakout upside in Boeing in the near term. It's also, I think, a great long-term stock. There's long-term secular growth in air travel. I think what you said in the introduction there is key. It's a cyclical, it's controversial. A lot of times when it feels like there's challenges can be the time to buy cyclicals in general and Boeing specifically. So it's complex. There's a lot going on, but I strongly believe air travel will continue to recover. People want to fly. It adds value to their lives and their business. And the issues with the 787 and the MAX, I think, are quite solvable, and the airlines will continue to want the airplanes over time.
You cover aerospace and defense. Did you have a top 2021 pick? I'm curious. If so, what was it?
Yeah, so throughout 2021, we've been recommending Boeing. We're actually lucky enough to have upgraded Boeing fairly early in the pandemic. Knew it would be a choppy ride, as it has been. But I still think Boeing has a good long-term position, a lot of long-term upside. There's also a lot of interesting names in Boeing's supply chain, many of which we've been recommending. Raytheon is one that we have on the conviction list here at Goldman, an aftermarket rich business, which is really just a great business, high margins, high returns on capital. And then, what's happening in the private jet market is really interesting. We've had Textron as a top pick and on the conviction list. The pandemic's just brought a lot of new people into the business jet market, really tight supply and demand there at the moment.